after months of political blitz from rival parties during a high-voltage campaign for the Maharashtra Assembly elections, the ball is now in the people's court, who have to decide the fate of candidates and parties for the 288 seats. Now, polling is underway as the Mahavikas Aghadi and the ruling Mahayuti lock horns. Remember, this is the first assembly poll since the dramatic split of the Shiv Sena and NCP, which led to major political realignments and comes barely 6 months after the Lok Sabha results in which the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi came out on top. Now, while Mahayuti has offered rupees 2,100 per month if it is voted back, MVA has offered a monthly stipend of rupees 3,000 under the Mahalakshmi scheme. The Mahayuti campaign has also adopted a majoritarian theme by dropping terms such as vote jihad and dharma yudh to counter the consolidation of Muslim votes in favor of MVA candidates. Now, Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde and Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena UBT are pitted in direct contests on 51 seats. A similar war will rage between the NCP Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar's NCP in 36 seats. The party that loses out could face an exodus or political oblivion. Now, rebel candidates could clear the pitch for both fronts, that is, and small parties and independents too will play a key role in close contests. But as far as the entire battle is concerned, we'll take that across to my colleagues, but we are getting you live visuals of the fact that Mohan Bhagwat has just cast his vote. We'll continue to track a lot more as far as live visuals is concerned, who has voted, who's going in to vote. But let's tell you, polling has begun. Abhishek Awasthi, Shweta Verma, Shrishti Atkare, all my colleagues joined me this morning. In fact, in the run-up to the polls, they have been the one tracking all the developments for us, getting right from exclusives to also talking to citizens about what they're looking for essentially while they make their mandate this morning. Good morning to all of you. Let me begin with the fact that, Abhishek, you know, this is going to be a very interesting battle to see how this is going to turn out. But more importantly, polling has begun. So quickly cutting across to you to give us the latest. And of course, then we'll talk about more aspects of this.
Definitely, polling has begun. I'm right standing outside one of the polling center from Juhu area of Mumbai. And definitely it's the day for the voters today and to celebrate the festival of democracy. And we've seen a long queue before 7 a.m. and people from across this area are coming here. Especially we can understand early in the morning, morning joggers and people who are out are making their way right ahead of this polling center. And definitely they will be making an informed choice. We have a lot of guarantees and things offered in their manifesto.
All right, Abhishek, I have to interject you. I'm going to come back to you. Stay with me. I'm given to understand Mohan Bhagwat is addressing the media while, of course, he's just cast his vote. So let's listen to it.
और नागरिक कर्तव्यों को प्रत्येक नागरिक ने करना चाहिए. इसलिए जहाँ जब मेरा मतदान है, मैं वहाँ जाके पहले वो काम कर लेता हूँ दिन में, बाकी सब काम बाद में करता हूँ. अभी मैं बहुत दूर था, उत्तरांचल में था. एक दिन मेरे कार्यक्रम का कम करके केवल इसके लिए मैं कल रात को आया हूँ और आज चला जाऊंगा. तो मतदान ये कर्तव्य है. मतदाताओं ने मत देना चाहिए. ये मैं बोलता हूँ तो मुझे करना है.
पिछले कुछ सालों में राजनीति का जो स्तर है वो गिरा है, इस वजह से लोग मतदान कम कर रहे हैं.
ये आज के दिन नहीं पूछना, बाद में.
बिटकॉइन के रिलेटेड
एक मिनिट. मतदान करणे हे मतदारांचं कर्तव्य आहे. आणि म्हणून जेव्हा जिथे माझं मतदान असेल, म्हणजे एकाच ठिकाणी आहे इथेच, तेव्हा मी सकाळी पहिल्यांदा हे काम करतो आणि नंतर सगळी कामं करतो.
Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, who initially spoke about the fact that, you know, voting is everybody's right and they should come out and cast their vote. And more importantly, he said that, you know, while there is an opportunity to be a part of democracy, or every citizen should be accessing that particular right.
अपने अपने लोग सोचते हैं. ये अभी आज मत पूछो. अभी आज का दिन इसके बारे में हमको चुप रहना है सब.
He's answering all the other questions. We'll get talking about that as well, because we know on the eve of polling a controversy that has struck Maharashtra polls.